Do you want to know how you can see the previous chats in Bing AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your previous prompts or previous chats in Bing AI. Go ahead and open Bing AI, which is on your phone. Now go to Copilot and you can see the three lines which is on the left hand corner. Tap on it and these are your previous chats. So you can go ahead and click on your previous chats and you can follow through what you had searched before. It's quite easy, guys. Let me show it to you once again. Go to Bing and then go to Copilot. Now tap on the three lines which you can see on the top hand corner of your left side, and these are your previous chats. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.